Hello everyone, this is Nandini from CAD NEST Nagar. In today's session, we will be continuing with modifying tools of AutoCAD. So next modifying tool what we are taking it is like trim and extend option. Trim and extend option. Shortkey for trim is TR double enter and for the extend it is EX double enter. Now we'll see how trim option works. So I'm going to take a line . Now after taking these lines, I'll take up trim option. Either I can take trim here and then I can trim it like this, or by taking the shortkey it is TR double enter and you can trim in either way. So both will be trimming you the extended version of particular line. So this is all about trim option. And after this we have extend option. For extend option, I'm going to take up again the same particular line. Now I need to extend this line towards this line. So what I'm going to do is either I'll take up extend here and then I'll click on this. This also works, or I can take up shortkey EX enter click. So this is how extend option works in AutoCAD. So these are trim and extend, two modifying tools. So after this two modifying tools, we have one more term called explode option. For explode, what we are going to do is I'll just take up a rectangle and I'm going to draw this. Now you can see, since I have selected the rectangle, all the lines together gets selected. If I need an individual lines to be getting selected, in the sense, at that time select the particular rectangle and then click on explode option. Now if I select the rectangle, it particularly selects only a single line. So this is how we make explode option. Now shortkey for the explode is EXP L enter. EXP L enter. So this is the shortkey for explode option. So in today's session we have learned what is trim, what is extend and what is explode option. So in further classes we will be learning on remaining modifying tools. Thank you.